Hello! Just got the latest JioCarSync? In this video, we will walk you through the complete setup so you can convert your wired car system to wireless in just a few minutes. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. Inside the box, you will find the JioCarSync device, a USB to Type-C converter, and the quick start guide, everything you need to get started. JioCarSync is a 2-in-1 wireless car receiver that supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, designed to deliver a seamless, cable-free driving experience. Installation is simple and completely plug-and-play. Plug JioCarSync into your car's USB data port used for wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Within few seconds, the JioCarSync screen will appear on your infotainment system. Now, take your smartphone and open Bluetooth settings. Scan for available devices and select JioCarSync to pair. Complete the pairing process in your phone. Once pairing is complete, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto starts on your infotainment system. Congratulations! You are all set. Your wired car system is now wireless with JioCarSync.